Okay, y'all, I know I don't do this, but today we are a hair account. Okay, we are the hair girls today, okay? Because I finally got my hands on Donna's recipe by Tabitha Brown. I have the extra creamy moisturizing shampoo, the extra creamy conditioner, the extra creamy, wait, what's this called? The extra creamy hair cream. So Donna's recipe has finally landed in Target. I mean, I'm late. It's been in Target for I think a month or so now, but that's not the point. I got it now. I got it now, and it's actually time to wash my hair, okay? Which is why I have on my good old house dress, because now we about to get into it. So this is my hair before. This is an old twist out. Get into it, okay? Okay. Period. So this is before. Now let's go ahead and wash our hair with the sweet potato pie extra creamy moisturizing shampoo. First of all, let's open this and see what it smells like, because I'm excited. See, I have not tried it yet. Okay, girl. Fast forward this so I can open it. Let me not put my mouth on it. We don't know. Ooh. Okay. First smell. It's not overpowering. I was a little nervous about it smelling too sweet. Oh, it's just right. Y'all want to smell it? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's too gross. That's too much. All right, I'll be back. I'll be back with the shampoo in my hair, okay? Before. And we are back. We have the shampoo in our hair. Y'all, this is extra moisturizing. Like, y'all see, I only use like 2 squirts. I know a lot of natural girls don't even like the shampoo because they're worried about it being too drying. Okay, this can be, y'all, okay? I love it. I love it so far, okay? Y'all want any close-ups? Okay, there you are. All right, let's wash this out and then let's get into the conditioner. Like, oh my, I really used too much. I used too much. It was 2 big squirts. I do have to be honest. It was like shh. It wasn't just, so I used too much, okay? Because baby, it's gonna be a minute before I can wash all this out my hair, okay? But that's all right, that's me. Now I know I'm gonna have this shampoo for a while. All right, I'll be back. All right, y'all, shampoo is out. Here is the texture of my hair. It feels really clean. I mean, I haven't like, you know, dug through or anything like that, but it feels really clean, okay? So here are my curls so far with just the shampoo, okay? Boom. All right, let's get into the conditioner. And again, y'all, too, that smell was not overwhelming at all. It was just, in fact, can I smell? Oh yeah, it's still on my hair and it's not over. I had to get into it, okay? All right, so open up the conditioner. Same subtle smell. This time I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know if I should use more squirts. It's conditioner now, so I don't know. That's pretty much 1 squirt of shampoo. Too much. Don't do that. Don't do that. You don't need that much of the shampoo. Well, you don't need 2 squirts of the shampoo, but conditioner, you know, we goes in. Let's be clear, we goes in natural girls, but we don't play with conditioner. Now, this might be too much as well, but I want to be honest and show you guys how much I'm about to put on my hair. I don't know. I don't know. Remove the towel. I don't have a method to this. I'm just putting it on my hair. Oh, see, it's gone. It's gone. It just did this right here, because we're gonna be honest. But that's what all conditioners, I mean. That's what all conditioners, they go away quick. Oh, it smells, oh my gosh. Y'all. This smells so good. I'm not even gonna hold you. If you already have this, let me know in the comments. Let them know I'm not lying. Oh. Oh. I'm skinny. I identify as skinny. Okay. We are applying. I haven't even got to the ends yet. So I'm gonna need some more. Tabitha, I'm gonna need a super-sized bottle, okay? I'm gonna need a super-size. It's not you. It's literally me. I go through some conditioner. I goes through it. Come on, Donna. Girl, she's stubborn for real. I see what you mean now, Tab. Girl. We got more. This is for my ends. I should be done. I don't know how many squirts that was. You saw it. Girl, curls fall. Girl. Just so y'all can see. These curls right here don't want to fall. They messed up my little, I thought everything was gonna like, you know, fall gracefully. They said, girl, no, we We real cool with each other. We gonna stick together. Ugh. And then with me in particular, with my hair, sometimes I comb this through, sometimes I don't. Today is gonna be I don't. I'm just gonna rake it through with my hands, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. Ooh, but it feels, the slip is great. That's why I'm still rubbing my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna rake my hands through. You know your hair, what you do. This is just my little routine. Like I said, sometimes I'll take a wide tooth comb and go through it, but today I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna rake it through with my hands and then let it sit. So y'all, I didn't read. I was reading while I sat here. I was like, let me read the actual bottle. Y'all, this is leave-in conditioner. I don't have to rinse this out. Okay, so no wonder it felt so moisturizing and great. I am confusion. So she don't have no rinse out conditioner. In my defense, y'all, she does have a regular conditioner. I thought I grabbed it. I did not read that I picked up the leave-in conditioner. Okay. Y'all. Yeah, this one says apply. This is the leave-in conditioner that's in my hair right now. Apply to wet or dry hair. No need to rinse. Very good. Enjoy and go about your business. Now here's where I am confusion. Cause then what is this one for? What is the extra creamy hair cream for? This says apply a small amount to damp or dry hair and style as desired. Where'd this video go? Well, y'all, okay, well, let me go get my dimming brush. Let me go get my off-brand dimming brush. And we're gonna go ahead and brush this in because we don't have to rinse it out. It's leave-in conditioner. I am confusion. We got our detangling brush. We have a rat tail. Let's do this. I'm gonna speed it up because y'all don't want to see this in real time.
Perfect.
Okay, and this is why the hair review girlies do the hair review girlies and I stick to food, because I don't know what this review has become, y'all. Clearly I've used too much again. You'll see all this extra white in my hair. I thought it was conditioner. I didn't read. See, the hair girlies would have read everything to you. I didn't know. So now I don't even know what to do with the other Donna's recipe, with the extra creamy hair cream, because baby, I'm conditioned. If this is leave-in, baby, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I'll be back when it's dry. Y'all know the end of this video. I don't. But let's go ahead and smell this one too. I don't know what else to do. Hello there. Girl, this ever reached out with the girl. I'm sorry I didn't read, girl. My bad. Anyway, yeah, there's no point. I'm not even gonna open this up yet. Okay, we gonna wait till my hair is dry to see what this one is giving. All right, y'all, it's about an hour later, maybe an hour and a half later. My hair is still wet. It takes all day to dry. I just want to show y'all the texture it's giving. I still have not used, oh my God, I'm obsessed. I have not used the leave-in, well, this is leave-in conditioner still, but I have not used the extra cream. I don't need it. Y'all saw how much conditioner I gave, how much leave-in conditioner I put in, which was too much. But my hair is ridiculously moisturized, okay? Again, it is still wet, but it's been an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and it's giving what it's giving, okay? I mean, I haven't styled it yet. This is how I left y'all, but y'all, look at the back curls. Donna, hopefully I'll be back when it's completely dry. I don't know. I don't know. All right, y'all, it is the next day. I got my house moo-moo back on. Okay, well, it's not a moo-moo, it's just a house dress, but I got it back on, y'all. I washed out some of all that conditioner just because I did not know it was a leave-in. So I washed out some of the conditioner, did not put any extra product on my head except for edge control. So now we can finally try the Donna's Recipe Extra Creamy Hair Cream. Remember, listen, still have not opened it, still have not tried it. I didn't have to do anything else to my hair yesterday, y'all. So honestly, so far, slick, all you need is the shampoo and the conditioner, but I don't know. Let's get into Donna's Recipe as well. I'm pretty sure it has the same smell. Yes, it does. Y'all, it's not overpowering. Like ooh, this is thick. Oh, wait, what the hair girlies do? Hold on, let it focus. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Wait, was I supposed to put a little bit less? Ugh, child. I'm just gonna run it all through my hair. Just gonna run it all through the hair. It actually does not feel heavy because I did just have a lot in my hand. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finger this side and then we'll dim and brush this side in case y'all want to see the difference. So I'm just gonna finger comb this side. Okay, that's that side. All right, and let's dim and brush this side. Not gonna put any more on here. Dim and brush side. And then finger coat side. I definitely think I like the finger coat side better. Yeah, the dim. Okay, I got the dim and brush this side because now it's not gonna match. Okay, but I just wanted y'all to see because that thing is poking on the other side. Okay, boom. And I'm also gonna do my hair in the middle. I'm gonna get a little bit more. All right, let me go get dressed and I'll see y'all later. Sorry y'all, it's actually several weeks later. I got my hair braided. I took the braids out now. So all I have in my hair is the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. So I had forgot or lost the footage to the original test of how my hair worked with Donna's Recipe. I really don't know where it went. Did I not hit record or did I delete it on accident? I have no idea. So here we are back with the extra creamy hair cream, the sweet potato pie extra creamy hair cream. And we're going to go ahead and this is only, I let my hair air dry. This is only the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. So now let's add in the hair, that looks so gross. Add in the hair cream. Okay. I don't know if y'all want me to keep the same hairstyle. Let's keep the same hairstyle since now my hair is completely dry. Let's see how it is with the and this time I didn't use too much conditioner. So this is actually a pretty good experiment. But I do go in with hair cream, okay? Because now I know exactly how much hair cream I'll be putting on. You see what I'm saying? Especially now since my hair is dry. So you guys can see this and then I can be back a little while later. I'm actually about to shoot a YouTube video, but I don't know which one's coming out first. But look for this outfit, okay? All right, so I'm gonna do this all around my hair, and then we'll be back. Like already it looks elongated, but we gotta see what it's like when it's fully dry, okay? Fully dry. I'll just fast forward this because I'm gonna comb this through, and then I'm not gonna touch it anymore. We'll leave it in the same hairstyle. But I am using, you know, y'all see what I'm using every time, each section of my hair. But I think I got everything down. All right, I'll be back in a couple of hours once this has fully dried. All right, y'all, here is my hair several hours later. I was at work, so I could not talk, but yes, I'm giving you footage. Also, I have no clue what this white stuff is on my shoulder. Like, what is happening? It's not from the hair stuff. It's probably from something I did with the child. But anyway, get into the curls, get into the bounds, get into the moisturization. That's not even a word, but you see it. Period. So judge this hair product as you will. I like it. I am still using it today. Okay. Yeah, here's my curls. Stiff wear. Okay, give a little shake. Boom, boom, boom. And we in here. I like it. All right, y'all. Bye.